Hey there, car lovers. Today, I'm taking you on a virtual tour inside one of the most iconic car factories in the world, the General Motors factory, where Chevrolet cars come to life. Buckle up, because we're diving into the heart of American automotive engineering. Let's start with the basics. The journey of a Chevrolet begins with raw materials, steel, aluminum, and other components delivered to the factory. These materials are then stamped into various shapes by giant presses. If you've ever seen one of these machines in action, you'll know what I mean when I say they're absolutely mesmerizing. Each press can exert thousands of tons of force to mold the car parts precisely. Next up, it's all about welding. Picture this: a symphony of robotic arms working in perfect harmony, welding together the car's skeleton with pinpoint accuracy. This phase is crucial for ensuring the strength and safety of the vehicle. These robots are fast and precise, ensuring consistency and quality in every single weld. Now onto the paint job. Here the car bodies go through a meticulous cleaning process before getting their first coat of paint. This isn't your average paint job. We're talking about layers of primer, paint, and clear coat, all applied in a dust-free environment to achieve that flawless, glossy finish Chevrolet is known for. The next station is where things get really interesting: the assembly line. This is where the car starts to look, well, like a car. Skilled workers and more robotic arms install the engine, transmission, and other critical components. It's a delicate dance of precision, with each part needing to be perfectly aligned and secured. Fun fact, it takes about 30 hours to build a single Chevrolet from start to finish. One of the final steps is quality control. Every car goes through a series of rigorous tests to ensure it meets Chevrolet's high standards. From alignment checks to water leak tests, nothing is left to chance. These tests are essential to make sure every Chevrolet that rolls off the line is ready for the road. And there you have it, folks. From raw materials to a finished product, the process of manufacturing a Chevrolet is a blend of innovative technology, skilled craftsmanship, and unwavering attention to detail. Next time you see a Chevy on the road, you'll know just how much work went into making it. Thanks for joining me on this tour of the General Motors factory. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more car content. Until next time, keep those engines revving and drive safe.